Hi YouTube, this is another tutorial. I'm teaching you how to take apart the Rubik's Cube. It's a form of cheating. I'll be posting a video on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. What you want to do, you want to get a screwdriver and take your cube and put it on an angle just like that. Okay. Now, many people say go for this part. I'm going to say go for the middle. It's the easiest. So stick your screwdriver or a butter knife in there. And everything should slide right out. Now you don't need your screwdriver anymore, so you just put that on the side. So I'll also be teaching you how to put it back together, which is a plus. Okay, so we'll start off with the white side. So let's find the white piece, which right there, you want to find the middle piece, which in this case is the orange. So slide it in like this. So you got, so it looks like that. You're doing this just like you'd solve the Rubik's Cube. You want to first get the cross. Okay, you got that. That. Okay, so now we have the cross. We'll put it upside down. Just make sure all this lines up. So, since this is orange, green, and white, we're going to face it green, white side down, like that. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to get the other white side, which is red, white, and green. Slide that in. Slide that. Now get the other white side, which is orange, blue, and white. Slide that in like you did with the others. Sorry for the little lag in the video. My old camera. Okay, so this is our last part. Slide that one right in. So now you should have it like you normally solve it, like that. Okay. So now what you want to do is put in all the pieces for this, which they're all going to be corner pieces. And just for a note, none of the pieces should have yellow in it. If it does, then you're doing something wrong. Well, then it shouldn't have anything that's on top, because that's our next layer. So here we go. So we got the green and red. This snaps right in. Now you could put petroleum jelly or Vaseline in these holes here, like on the axle. It makes it smooth easier. I already did that, so I'm not going to do it again because I don't want to put too much on. So just continue putting the pieces in. Alright, finally got our last piece. Now you're just going to think, alright, all these pieces are going to snap right in. Wrong. You have to rotate this and make sure, so it should look like that, like slanted, and your top angled so that they're almost touching each other. Now, just for the record, don't slant this too much, or else this will fall off. So now get your, in this case it's the yellow and red, and it slides right in. And do the same thing to the other side, which is, now make sure you do this after you put the petroleum jelly in or Vaseline, because you won't be able to get it back on. Now we're gonna make the H. So start forming the H. Here we go, and our last piece. Now with these, you want to put them in like that and push in. Sometimes they won't go in, so push in on the side, and same thing over here. And when it can't go in, just make sure that these line up straight. You should really do it on an angle like that. You don't always have to, but it's the easiest way to do it. So do it just like that. Just like that. And that's how you do it. And my friend showed me how to do this, so I can't take any credit. You should really look at his channel. It's called Peruvian Productions. And if you go onto my channel, you'll see it. And I'll be posting a video on how to do the Rubik's Cube. He taught me that too. So I would give him all the credit. You could write comments and rate on me. But if you're going to subscribe to someone, subscribe to him, because he should be taking all the credit for this. And that's the end of my video.